Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channel S.R.L. Di video kali ini saya akan buat tutorial seni origami 3D bentuk karakter di anime Murenase Seton Gakuen. Video ini adalah video part 3 dari video yang sebelumnya. Bagi yang belum nonton part sebelumnya, linknya ada di deskripsi atau kalian bisa klik iCard di pojok kanan atas layar kalian. Dan jangan lupa bagi yang belum subscribe, klik tombol subscribe dan loncengnya agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video yang lainnya. Oke, mari kita mulai video berikut.
Through the smoke, and the sapphire in your eyes. You pull me close, and keep me up all night. And you know, I'm drunk on the vibe, and we're moving fast, not going slow. And this love that we fell in, I don't really care if the skies are falling, as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. And if you ever said that you were leaving, I wouldn't know what to do, 'cause when I'm with you, wolves can't hurt me. Yeah, when I'm with you, I skies are falling, as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the world wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. And if you ever said that you were leaving, I wouldn't know what to do. 'Cause when I'm with you, wolves can't hurt me. Yeah, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, skies are falling as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. And if you ever said that you were leaving, I wouldn't know what to do. 'Cause when I'm with you, wolves can't hurt me. Yeah, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, skies are falling as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. When I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. When I'm with you, I'm bulletproof.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale.
Sekian dulu untuk video kali ini. Jangan lupa like dan komen bila kalian menyukai video ini. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Akhir kata, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.